First we'll be performing Omkar, breathing in. श्री करुणानिधे नमः। हे परम पिता, हे विश्वपिता, हे राष्ट्रपिता, हे जग आधारा, हे करुणामय दीन दयालु, पूर्ण गुरु हे अपरंपार, हे परेश अब शीघ्र कृपा कर, हमें दीजिए शुद्ध विचार, जिससे जनता के सेवक बन नाथ करे सुखमय संसार। हे नाथ, आपकी कृपा से विश्व का कल्याण हो, सभी कर्तव्य परायण हो, परस्पर प्रेम हो। श्री करुणानिधे नमः। हाथ दोनों हल्का सा गर्म करेंगे। मसाज योर palms, create friction between your both the palms. Slowly rest your both the palms on your both the eyelids. Then massage your complete face. We'll start our session of micro yoga today. Join your both the thumbs. Inhale, broaden your both the shoulders, broaden your chest. Breathe out, join your both the thumbs. Inhale, breathe out. Once more, inhale, breathe out. Sit in a posture of your choice. We'll be performing Bhastrika Pranayam. With a feather touch breathing in, feather touch breathe out. In a rhythmic fashion, without any jerk or without any force. Those who are suffering with heart problem, kindly perform very slowly. New members also perform very slowly. శ్వాస ఫెదర్ టచ్ తోని పీల్చుకోవాలి, వదిలేటప్పుడు కూడా ఫెదర్ టచ్ తోని వదలాలి. लेते समय भी एक feather touch force से लेना, छोड़ते समय भी एक feather touch force से छोड़ना. You can use your arms or you can not use arms. So breathing in with a feather touch force, breathe out with a feather touch force as per your capacity. Start. धीरे 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 क्रिया को रोकिए, आंखें बंद, मन शांत। एक रिदम के साथ क्रिया को करने का प्रयत्न। भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, पहला प्राणायाम भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम। feather touch, with a feather touch force breathing in, with a feather touch force breathe out. So just now we did called Bhastrika Pranayam. The second pranayam we are performing called Kapalabhati Pranayam. See the difference between Bhastrika and Kapalabhati. In Bhastrika, feather touch force breathing in, feather touch force breathe out. Now, the second pranayam we are performing called Kapalabhati Pranayam, only with feather touch force breathe out. In process happens on its own. लेने की क्रिया अपने आप होती सांसों की, छोड़ते समय एक feather touch force के साथ आपको छोड़ना है. పీల్చుకునేది మామూలుగా అయిపోతుంది, వదిలేటప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఒక ఫెదర్ టచ్ ఫోర్స్ను వదలాలి. శ్వాస వదిలేటప్పుడు పీల్చుకునేది ఆటోమేటిక్. అది ఎలాగవుతుంది ఒకసారి చూడండి, డౌట్ ఉంటే. ఒక పెద్ద శ్వాస పీల్చుకొని శ్వాస వదలాలి వదలాలి వదలాలి. కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి అర్థం చేసుకుందాము. In a rhythmic, slow manner, try to perform this kriya. करते जाइए, just do it. फेस नॉर्मल, चेहरे पर कोई तनाव नहीं, विदाउट एनी एक्सप्रेशंस ऑन योर फेस, जस्ट ब्रीथ आउट. इन प्रोसेस हैपनिंग ऑन इट्स ओन. వదలాలి ఒక ఫెదర్ టచ్ ఫోర్స్ అని, పీల్చుకునే క్రియ ఆటోమేటిక్ అవుతుంది. మొదలు పెట్టండి. మళ్ళీ కొత్త వాళ్ళు మధ్య మధ్యలో ఆపుతూ చేయొచ్చు. 2-3 सेकंड बीच में रुकना, फिर शुरू हो जाना. नए साधक, पुराने साधक अपने अपनी शक्ति के अनुसार फेस, चेहरे पर कोई तनाव नहीं, विदाउट एनी एक्सप्रेशंस ऑन योर फेस, మామూలుగా ఫేస్ పెట్టి చేయండి. क्रिया को रोकना है, धीरे धीरे रुक जाइए. कोई आवाज नहीं, इलांटी सप्पुडु रागुडुदु. जस्ट ब्रीथ आउट विथ ए फेदर टच फोर्स. आंखें बंद, मन शांत. क्रिया का नाम पहले भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, उसके बाद कपालभाति प्राणायाम. हाथ दोनों साइड में रखिए. एक बार शशांक आसन का अभ्यास, सांस छोड़ना, लेते हुए फिर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रखकर बैठ जाइए. इन प्राणायाम वी आर सपोज टू कीप आवर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. नाउ थर्ड प्राणायाम. Third pranayam we are doing, left arm on your thigh, middle of your thigh. Right arm, lift it up. Fold your index finger, fold your middle finger. Join your thumb and little finger. Try to form a cup-like structure with your palm. For closing your right nostril, we are supposed to close our right nostril. For closing your left, close your left nostril with your ring finger and last finger. So this is for thumb we are using right nostril. For with right nostril we are using our thumb. For left nostril we are using our ring finger and thumb. So this you understood. So what we are supposed to do? Breathe in from your left for 3 seconds. Breathe out from your right for 3 seconds. Again, right in 3 seconds, left out 3 seconds. ఎడమతోని పీల్చుకోవాలి 3 సెకండ్లలో, కుడి రంధ్రాన్ని క్లోజ్ చేసి తర్వాత కుడి రంధ్రం నుంచి వదలాలి 3 సెకండ్లో మన ఎడమ రంధ్రం క్లోజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ కుడితోని పీల్చుకోవాలి, ఎడమతోని వదలాలి. लेफ्ट से लेना पहले 3 सेकंड में, राइट को बंद कर कर फिर राइट से छोड़ना. फिर क्या करना? राइट से लेंगे, लेफ्ट से छोड़ेंगे. एक राउंड 12 सेकंड. न्यू मेंबर्स अच्छी तरह ऑब्जर्व करिए. न्यू मेंबर्स एक बार देखिए क्या हो रहा है, कैसा चल रहा है. पहले मैं राइट बंद करूंगा, लेफ्ट से लेऊंगा. क्लोज योर राइट, ब्रीथ इन फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट इन. क्लोज योर लेफ्ट, breathe out from your right. Right in, left out, left in, right out, right in, left out. ऐसे ही और 5 राउंड करिए. जस्ट डू 5 राउंड्स ऑन योर ओन. Slow, smooth breathe in, slow, smooth breathe out. Alternate breathing we are doing. Concentrate on your breath. Fill up your lungs every time while inhalation. Last 2 rounds. Last round. Left in, right out, right in, left out. Bring your arm down. Close your eyes. Experience the calmness in your thoughts. Just relax. Slowly lay down on your stomach in Makarasana. Relax your body after performing pranayam kriya. First what we did? Bhastrika pranayam. With a feather touch force breathing in, with a feather touch force breathe out. Second pranayam we did Kapalabhati pranayam. Only breathing out in a rhythmic fashion
with a feather touch force. The in process was happening on its own. That was the second pranayam. Now what we did the last called Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing in. So what we did there, left in, right out, right in, left out. One pranayam, initially 12 seconds, 3 seconds in left, 3 seconds out right, again right 3 seconds, 9, left 3 seconds out, so that will become 12 seconds. After pranayam, we are relaxing our body in Makarasana. Spread your both the legs, flatten them, place one palm above the other and relax. So next relaxation we are doing called Niralambasana. Gap between your both the elbows. Drop your shoulders down. Take the support of your palm and relax in Makarasana. Niralambasana. First Makarasana, then Niralambasana. Today, Saturday, we will be doing laying down asanas. Before that, we will warm up our body with the help of Shankapakshalan Kriyas, followed by Surya Namaskar. Slowly come down. Just spread your both the arms. Give left and right direction to your body. Hold your ankles. Give left and right direction to your body. Swing your body to the left and right. Normalize your body. Now we'll be performing Shankapakshalan Kriyas. Try to understand perfectly which asana we are doing, then try to perform. First asana, Sarpasana. Place your palms at your floating ribs, chin resting on the floor. Deep long breath in and get up in Sarpasana. Elbows out, shoulders out. Drag your body to the front. Right side. Breathe out. One breathe out. 2 breathing in up. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. 5 breathe out. 6 breathing in. 7 breathe out. 8 breathing in. 9 breathe out. 10 breathing in. 11 breathe out. 12 breathing in. New members, please get up. Those who are having any problems like lower backache, also requested to sit. All others, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Just stay for 2 to 3 seconds here. After that, come to Uttanasana. Those who can able to perform Uttanasana. All others, just get up. Straighten your both the knee from the back. Lift your both the heels. Take the support of your elbows. Drag your body down. If you can able to touch the floor, you can touch. Otherwise, you can change your arm here. Slowly get up. After Uttanasana, we will be performing Urdhva Hastasana. Gap between your both the legs. Elbow straight. Face normal. Right side. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. Straighten your both the arms. 3 breathe out. Very slow movement we are doing. 4 breathing in. 5 breathe out. 6 breathing in. 7 breathe out. 8 center. 9 breathe out. 10 breathing in. Last time. 11 breathe out. 12 center. Third variation called Kati Chakrasana. Right side. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. 3 breathe out other side. 4 breathing in. 5. 6 center. 7. 8 center. 9 breathe out. 10 center. 11. 12. Sit for Udarakarshana. New members, please follow me. Like this you can sit if you are having difficulty. Gap between your both the legs. Bring your both the heels close to your main body. Take the support of your palm. Right side. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 center, 11 breathe out, 12 center. Second round Sarpasana. Palms little back, better than first time we are doing. Second time Sarpasana. First set of asana. Get up, breathing in and get up. Elbows out, shoulders out, back, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can get up or you can go to Adho Mukha Svanasana as per your capacity. Just perform. Uttanasana. Normalize your breath here. Slowly go to Urdhva Hastasana. Gap between your both the legs. Interlock your arms. Extend your whole body up. Right side, neck will remain normal. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. 5, 6 center. 7, 8, 9, 10. Last time. 11, 12. Third asana, Kati Chakrasana. Right side. 1. Stay for a second. 2 center. 3 other side. 4 center. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sit for Udarakarshana. New members, last time I had shown you how to do. Please sit like that. Seniors, sit like this. This much gap between your both the knee. Flatten your stomach. Lift your spine. Broaden your chest and shoulder. Left knee will go down. Right knee inside your stomach and abdomen. Right side. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. 5 breathe out. 6 breathing in. 7, 8 center. 9, 10 center. 11, 12. Slowly walk if you can able to walk, or you can just spread your legs and relax in Nishpant Bhavasana. Both the legs apart, both the arms resting at the back. Drop your head on your shoulders. Those who are having knee problems, please don't attempt jumping kriya. Be careful. Continue. Deep, long breath in, breath out, called Nishpant Bhavasana. Normalize your breath. Normalize your heart rate. The next set of asanas, we are performing Surya Namaskar. New members, please come at the back. Watch your seniors and perform the kriya. Step by step we are doing.
First week always so many new members will be there. So we will be doing step by step. Those who are coming after some time also, please sir, little forward. Yes. Join your both the legs perfectly. Join your both the palms perfectly. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Om Suryaya Namaha. First step, new members, please do 1 toe, 3, both the arms on sides of your both the feet, just breathe out. Both the arms up, breathing in, rotation and form Namaskar. Same step we are doing once more. 1 Hastasana, 2 Ardha Chandrasana, 3 Padahastasana, breathe out here, 4 both the arms up, Vrikshasana, Namaskarasana. Second step, 6 counting. Sir, second step we are doing Om Mitraya Namaha. 1 breathe out, 2 breathing in, 3 breathe out, both the legs back, Parvatasana. Both the legs front, repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up, Vrikshasana, Namaskarasana. Same step we will be repeating once more. 1 breathe out, 2 breathing in, 3 breathe out, 4 both the legs back, normal breathe in, breathe out. 5 both the legs front, breathe out here, both the arms up, breathing in here, Namaskar. Third step, 8 counting, Asvasanchalanasana. Juniors, just watch your seniors and do. Om Savitre Namaha. 1 breathe out, Hastasana. 2 breathing in, Ardha Chandrasana. 3 breathe out, Padahastasana. Left leg back, Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs back, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Left leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up, Vrikshasana, Namaskarasana. Same step, once more we are doing, change your leg. 1 breathe out, Hastasana. 2 breathing in, Ardha Chandrasana, half moon posture. 3 breathe out, Padahastasana. Right leg back, Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs back, Parvatasana. Right leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana.
Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up. Vrikshasana. Namaskara-asana. Now we are doing full rounds. New members also slowly attempt. Watch your senior and do. When we have to breathe in, when we have to breathe out, try to perform according to your asana, breathing in and breathing out. First mantra ucharana. Om Prabhakaraya Namaha. One breathe out, stretch your arms. Two breathing in, Ardha Chandrasana. Three breathe out, Padahastasana. Left leg back, Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs back, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Very slowly. Drop your both the knee down. Try to touch your chest and chin with the floor in Sastanga Namaskara-asana. Breathing in, get up, Sarpasana. Broaden your chest and shoulders. Try to watch maximum up. Next, Bhukampasana. Normalize your breath. Left leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Redo all the asanas from here. Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up. Vrikshasana. Rotation and form Namaskara-asana. Same steps we are doing. Alternatively change your leg. One breathe out. Two breathing in. Three breathe out. Padahastasana. This time right leg back. Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs back. Parvatasana, mountain pose. Normalize your breath. Sastanga Namaskara-asana. Breathe out. Try to touch your chin and chest with the floor. Chin and chest with the floor. Stomach will remain up. Get up. Sarpasana. Breathing in. Bhukampasana. Normalize your breath here. Left leg front. Right leg front, sorry. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up. Vrikshasana. Rotation and form Namaskara-asana. New members, please sit down. New members, sit and watch how others are doing. Seniors, those who are having difficulty, please sit down. Please sit down. Those who are having lower backache, 2 more rounds we are doing. As per your permission, I will proceed. One breathe out, full rounds of Surya Namaskara. Two breathing in. Three breathe out. 4 left leg back. Breathe in. 5 both the legs back. Parvatasana, mountain pose. 6 slow Sastanga Namaskara-asana. Breathe out. 7 breathing in. Sarpasana. 8 Bhukampasana, normal breathe in, breathe out. Left leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up. Vrikshasana. Rotation and form Namaskara-asana. Now we are doing with right leg. One breathe out. Two breathing in. 3 breathe out, Padahastasana, right leg back. Breathe in, Asvasanchalanasana. Both the legs back. Normalize your breath in Parvatasana. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Slowly go to Sastanga Namaskara-asana. Breathe out completely. Breathing in, get up. Sarpasana. Normalize your breath. Bhukampasana. Right leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Breathing in, both the legs front. Breathe out. Repeat Padahastasana. Breathing in, Vrikshasana, Namaskarasana. Shall we do 2 more rounds? Those who can able to do, otherwise sit down. 2 more round of Surya Namaskar for those who joined just now. 1, 2, 3, left leg, 4, Parvatasana, 5, Sastanga Namaskara-asana. Breathe out, 6, Sarpasana, 7, Bhukampasana, 8, normal breathe in, breathe out. Left leg front, breathing in, both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana, breathe out. 11, Vrikshasana. 12, Namaskara-asana. Last round with right leg. Again, as per your capacity, proceed. 1, 2, 3, breathe out. Right leg back. Breathe in. Both the legs back. Normalize your breath. Sastanga Namaskara-asana. Breathe out. 7, breathing in. 8, normal breathe in, breathe out. 9, repeat Asvasanchalanasana. Breathing in. 10, repeat Padahastasana. Breathe out completely. 11, breathing in, Vrikshasana, Namaskara-asana. Again, sit in Nishpant Bhavasana. Comfortable gap between your both the legs, both the arms resting at the back. Continue. Deep long breath in, breath out in Nishpant Bhavasana. Normal breath in, breath out we have to achieve. When we will get normal breath in, breath out, start deep long breath in, breath out. Relax your body. Concentrate on your breath. After performing Surya Namaskar, your breath rate will increase. So we are supposed to continue deep long breath in, breath out process and relax our body. Very simple kriyas we will be doing today. First try to relax perfectly, then we will proceed for next set of asanas. After deep long breath in, breath out, slowly relax in Makara asana. Lay down on your stomach. How you are getting up? There is a procedure for getting up. Don't be in a hurry. Turn to one side, take the support of your palm and get up if you want to get up.
Now lay down on your stomach in Makarasana. Both the legs apart. Place one palm above the other. Head you can turn towards right side or left side. Very simple kriyas we will be doing today in laying down. First we will be performing Sarpasana or Bhujangasana. First, join your both the legs. Place your palms on the sides of your chest. Breathe in and get up. First variation Bhujangasana. First you watch here, then try to perform there. Get up. Face normal. 5, 4, 3, 2. Very slowly go down. 1. Relax in Makarasana. After set of asanas, Makarasana for relaxation. Second step, straight away we will jump to Vichasana, Sarpasana after Bhujangasana. Place your palms at your floating ribs area. Chin touching to the floor. Breathing in and get up. Broaden your chest and shoulders. Elbows out, shoulders out. Drag your body and wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly go down and relax in Makarasana. Both the arms apart. Maximum gap between your both the arms at your shoulder height. Turn your face towards right side. Raise your right arm and try to watch. 1. New members, just watch once and perform then. Straighten your arm. Very slowly come down at your shoulder height. 2. Turn your face in other direction. Raise your other arm. 3. Watch your arm up. Lower body will be straight. 4. Right side, right arm, right leg. 1. Lift your leg also. Normalize your gap. 2. Turn to other side. Lift your other side. 3. Hold for 8 seconds. 4. Relax in Makarasana. Now, place one palm above the other palm. Place one palm above the other palm. ఒక అరిచేయి పైన ఇంకొక అరిచేయి దానిపైన మన గడ్డాన్ని పెట్టండి. Rest your chin on your both the folded palms. Straighten your elbows and get up. 1. Variations of Bhujangasana we are attempting now. 2. Change your palms. पाइनुन्न चेई किंदकी किंदुन्न चेई पाई की नीचे वाला ऊपर ऊपर वाला नीचे उसी क्रिया को रिपीट करेंगे. नाउ गेट अप. 3, 4. Again relax in Makarasana. Both the arms, both the palms on the back of your neck. Both the arms at the back of your neck. Lift your body up to 30 degrees from the front. Get up, breathe in. 1. Hold for a few seconds. 2. Once more. 3, 4. Relax in Makarasana. Now, hold your wrist with your other arm like this. Now, get up from the front up to 30 degrees up to your thigh area. Potta, chati, tala, mana todalu varaku paiki. Breathe in and get up. 1. Face normal. 2. Change.
Change your arms. Perform the same kriya. Breathe in and get up. 3, 4. Interlock your arms and relax here. We are performing same kriya. Try to pull your both the arms down towards your both the feet. Breathe in and get up. 1, 2. Insert your palms under your thigh and relax here. Normalize your breath. New members, kindly relax. We are performing Shalabhasana. Those who are suffering with any type of stomach ache, especially ladies, take care of yourself. If you are suffering with hernia problem, if you are suffering with fibroid problem, those who are having any type of stomach ache, kindly relax. Those who are suffering with prostate problem also, any problem related to stomach or abdomen, kindly relax. Now, lift your both the legs, only seniors in Shalabhasana. Breathe in and get up. 1. Raise your both the legs from the back. Already front is done in Sarpasana, Bhujangasana. Hold for few seconds. 5, 4. Raise your both the thighs up, knee up. 3, 2, 1. Very slowly go down and relax. Fold your both the legs. Catch your ankles. 4 fingers will remain at the back, thumb at the front. We are not performing any asana. First convince your body that I am holding my legs. No asana has been done till now. First normalize your breath. Once you hold, catch your legs, then unnecessary tense will try to dominate on you. That we have to minimize here. Gap between your both the knee as per your shoulder bend. Gap between your both the heels, again around 1.5 feet or 1 feet. Just normal breathe in, breathe out. We are catching our ankles. We are not performing any asana. Again, listen to me very carefully. New members, just hold. Don't perform. The next asana called Dhanurasana. Seniors, those who are suffering with any type of problem, just now I repeated all the conditions. All conditions will remain same here. Any type of stomach ache, any type of problem related to stomach and abdomen, kindly relax. All others will be performing Dhanurasana. Breathe in and get up. Lift your body from both the sides. First, slowly get up. Adjust your both the shoulders. Pull your both the legs back. Broaden your chest and shoulders. Give a smile here. 5, 4. No tense on your face. 3. Slowly start adjusting. 2, 1. Slowly go down. Makarasana. Now, first perfectly relax. Leg apart. Legs apart. Flatten your feet. See. Legs apart. Yes. One palm above the other. Turn your face towards right side or left side. Now we'll be performing Yogic Dand Kriya. So what we'll be doing in this Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Ardha Mukha Svanasana. New members, just watch. If you can able to perform, you can try. Otherwise, just relax. First, spread your both the legs. Go to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Breathing in and get up. 1. Elbows out, shoulders out. Drag your body to the front. This is Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Now we'll be performing Adho Mukha Svanasana. 2, 3. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. 4, 5, 6. Last time. 7. Slowly spread your legs and go to Supta Virasana. Relax here. Don't allow your lower back to come up. Normal breathe in, breathe out should continue here. Slowly sit in Makarasana again. Finally, again we are relaxing in Makarasana. Spread your both the legs. Legs towards me. निष्पंत भावासना. पादल ना वैपु. पैर मेरी ओर रखिए. सिर को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Drop your head on your shoulders. Now we will be performing first Pavana Muktasana. Very simple asana. Fold your both the legs. Lay down and catch your both the knee and relax here. First Pavana Muktasana. Preparation of Pavana Muktasana. Just interlock your fingers and relax here in Pavana Muktasana. Now, try to touch your chin with your both the knee while breathing out. Juniors, just watch once, then we will be performing later. Start. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in, head down. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. 5 breathe out completely. 6 breathing in, last time. Seniors try to hold, juniors may repeat. 7, 6, 5, 4, normalize your breath. 3, 2, 1. Slowly catch your both the ankles like this. Again, 4 fingers in the front, thumb at the back. Slowly bring your both the heels close to your main body and relax here. Juniors, how seniors are doing, just watch on the side and try to perform. Or you can watch on the stage. The next asana, after Pavana Muktasana, we are performing Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. So just watch new member once, Setu Bandhasana, then we are repeating. Breathing in, try to touch your chin with your chest, lift your stomach, maximum up. Breathing in and get up. 1, shift your weight on your shoulders. Hold in the posture. Normalize your breath. Maximum lifting up. Slowly walk in with the help of your feet and adjust your shoulders and shift your weight on your shoulders. Stay here with normal breathe in, breathe out. 5, 4, 3. Slowly insert your arms. Juniors, stay there. Seniors, insert your arms. Raise your lower back little more. Lift your right leg. 1. Straighten it towards sky. Hold for a second. 2. Come back very slowly. Other leg. 3. Straighten your both leg, upper leg. Your lower leg is supporting you. 4. Right leg. 5. Slowly come down. 6. Last time. 7. 8. Slowly go down and relax. Normalize your breath. After performing Setu Bandhasana variations, we will be proceeding for Sarvangasana. First, new members sit and watch. Next Saturday we will be doing. Those who are suffering with any type of problems also try to sit. Overweight sadhakas also requested to sit. Again, first hold your both the ankles. Once we will be doing Setu Bandhasana. Lift your body up. 1. Give support to your body. Raise it up and slowly raise your right leg once more. 1, 2, second time, second leg. 3, and slowly both the legs and go to Vichasana, shoulder stand, Sarvangasana. Normalize your breath. Straighten your both the legs. Don't allow your elbows to spread up. Suck your buttocks in, stomach also in. Straighten your body. Hold in the posture called Sarvangasana. You can count 1 to 25, 1 to 50, 1 to 75 or 1 to 100 in this pose. Your blood flow will be reverse here with the gravity from the feet towards your skull area. Just hold with normal breath in, breath out. Don't allow your lower back to project front. Slowly adjust your body, straighten it and normalize your breath. From here onwards, please understand super seniors, and we will be proceeding. We will be performing once halasana. 1, only super seniors. Go down, hold. You can spread your legs or you can join your both the legs. Again, stay for 5 to 10 seconds here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 10. Again go to Sarvangasana. Second time after performing Halasana. Better than last time. Again hold here. 10, 9, 8. Firmly give support to your lower back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now from here onwards, we are going to Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Shift your arms like this. Place your right leg on the floor. After right leg, rest your other leg on the floor. Go to Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. After staying for here only 3 to 5 seconds, now slowly remove your palms and go down. Normalize your breath. Turn your head to the left and right direction. Take. Now, in this, again, we will be performing Matsyasana. Head, try to turn your head in this posture. New members, just relax. Those who are having neck problem, spondylitis, also relax. All others will be performing Matsyasana. You can rest your crown on the floor, fold your arms. You can form Namaskar, or you can fold your arms, or in this you can form Padmasana also. Super seniors, try to perform this Kriya in Padmasana. Hold your both the thumbs and relax here. Normalize your breath. Continue. Deep, long breath in, breath out. Broaden your rib cage and shoulders. Rest your crown on the floor. Hold your both the thumbs. Super seniors. Juniors, just lay down. You can form Namaskar. You can spread your arms as per your convenience. Try to stay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly remove your head first. Super seniors may catch their both the thumbs. Juniors, slowly turn to your right side and get up. Super seniors, hold your both the knee from the sides. Give front and back movement and slowly sit down in Padmasana. Normalize your breath. After performing Sarvangasana, little heaviness will be there in your head area. This is normal. So what we have supposed to do after Sarvangasana, some asanas, forward bending asanas, for normalizing that heaviness in our skull area. For that, we'll be performing very, very simple asanas. First, remove your both the legs. Sit in Dandasana. Both the palms on the sides, elbows out, shoulders out. Normal breath in, breath out should continue here. Fold your right leg. Very simple, very important, very effective asana called Janu Sirasana, followed by, today we will be doing Paschimuttanasana also. This is half Paschimuttanasana, you can take it as. Interlock your arms, extend your both the sides of your rib cage, straighten your head in the center. Both the upper arms in parallel with your both the ears. Front leg should be straight. Very slowly. Don't tighten your neck area. Interlock if you have any doubt and extend more. Now very slowly go down. Hold wherever you can able to hold. Catch your feet and stay with normal breath in, breath out. Both the shoulders will remain straight. Try to apply more pressure on the sides compared to inside edge of your feet. Now here, till now we had not performing any asana. Please normalize your breath here. Now try to go down while breathing out. Try to touch your forehead with your knee. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. We are repeating. 3, breathe out. 4, breathing in. Last time. Seniors will stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in. 6, spine straight, leg straight. Just normalize your breath. Change your leg. Janu Sirasana or Ardha Paschimuttanasana, half Paschimuttanasana. Be normal here. All the conditions will remain same. With one leg we did. Spine straight. Lift your spine. Yes. Broaden your chest and shoulders. Interlock your arms. Drag your body up. Neck normal. Flatten your stomach. Very slowly go down and hold wherever you can able to hold and try to be normal. Head up here. Both the shoulders in line. Don't allow your shoulders to get disturbed. Normally what happens, whichever one shoulder will try to come forward. Check yourself. Once your breath is normal here, those who are having lower backache, please relax. All others, go down. 1, breathe out. Don't allow your knee to get up. 2, breathing in. Second time. 3, breathe out. 4, breathing in. Juniors, touch and come back. Seniors, stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in. 6. Both the legs in the front. First, relax your both the legs. Stay in Nishpant Bhavasana for some more time. After Paschimuttanasana, your breath rate again normalize it. Now, counterasana for Halasana is Paschimuttanasana. We are performing. We did Halasana, no, both the legs back. I had not seen, but most of you did. Join your both the legs. Sit in Dandasana again. Now, with individual leg we already done. Now, both the legs straight. New members, you may repeat like this. New members, Kottavali laga cheyandi with one leg only. If possible, if you are having lower backache, just watch. Next week we are doing. Those who are having backache, kindly relax. face normal, extend your whole body and slowly run your both the upper arms in parallel with your both the ears. Hold your both the legs wherever you can able to hold and adjust your body. Stay in this posture. Till now, no asana has been done. Face normal and just we are holding our both the legs. Shoulders perfectly aligned. Now, with individual leg we did, now we are attempting with both the legs. You can walk back if you feel your body wants to walk back. Listen to your body first. Once you listen to your body in asana, your body will listen to you. Don't create hump at the upper back area. Try to lengthen your upper back area and try to touch your shin bone. At least you can able to touch the knee. If your aim is knee, then you will not proceed forward. Now, only super seniors we are doing 1 breath out, 2 breathing in, again normal face, 3 breath out, 4 breathing in, last but one time, 5 breath out, 6 breathing in, last time, 7 breath out, 8 breathing in. Slowly spread your both the legs. Normalize your breath in Nishpant Bhavasana. Paschimottanasana is very powerful asana for all, especially for women. It is very important asana. We did Halasana, Counterasana, Paschimottanasana. If you are unable to do Paschimottanasana, try Janusirasana. First we will be doing once Tanasana. After which asana? Paschimottanasana, your body might be little compressed. So what we will do? Join your both the legs. Join your both the arms on the top. Lower part from your feet up to lower back, pull it down. From your lower back up to your fingertips, extend up. Hold. 1. Extend your both the direction your body in 2 parts. From your navel area up to your feet, from your navel area up to your fingertips. 2, relax, last time. 3, extend maximum. 4, last time. 5, stretch your arms, stretch your shoulders, stretch your middle area on from your lower back, stretch your thigh, stretch your knee joint, stretch your ankle joint, stretch your all the 10 fingers. Slowly relax, go to Shanti Asana. Comfortable gap between your both the legs, both the arms on the sides, fingers folded normally, palms facing towards sky. Close your eyes gently. A small smile just about to laugh. That should be your face expression. If you feel anywhere tight in your body, that part you can make it left and right, or you can loosen that part and relax. If you feel that your tailbone area or lower back area is perfectly not relaxing, you can fold your legs, lengthen your lower back and try to again spread your both the legs. In Shanti Asana, our mind is alert. What we are doing with our mind? We are instructing our body to relax. Bring the shape of your feet first in your mind. Try to relax. Start from your thumb, second finger, middle finger, fourth finger and last finger. Similarly, your heel area, your middle of your feet area, then ankle joint area, calf muscles area, kneecaps. Try to bring the shape of your both the knee inside in your mind and try to relax that parts. Both the thigh area, back of your thigh area, hamstring area, navel area, lower back area. Concentrate on your middle back area, upper back area, both the lungs area, shoulder area, upper arms, elbow joint, forearms, wrist joint, again both the thumbs, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, last finger. Perfectly try to stay in Shanti Asana. Normalize your body. Open your eyes very slowly. Fold your both the legs one by one. Turn to your one side. Take the support of your other palm. While breathing in, get up. Try to sit in Vajrasana because we had not done anything. You can select Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, or any asana of your choice. Keep your eyes closed, spine straight. Omkar, breathing in. There is one small announcement. As you are seeing this banner here, online yoga classes will be starting from Monday onwards. That is from 9th onwards. 9th of this month. So from 9/12/2020. If you want any details, phone numbers are given. You can contact Ramesh or you can contact Sri Ravi sir for these details. So you can watch from your house also, or anybody who needs online classes, you can recommend this. Close your eyes. We'll be performing Omkar, breathing in. Join your both the palms. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Breathe in, bow down your head, raise your friends who are staying away from you, like Vanasalipuram or Kukkadpalli or Chandanagar or somewhere. You can recommend these online classes which will be helpful for them. Thank you very much for coming. Have a nice and wonderful day. Tomorrow